Overview. In this experience, you will learn new Spanish words and how to use them in sentences. The lesson is made up of 4 sections. Listen and take note of words. Say the words and repeat. Learn basic sentences. Do a quiz on what you have learned. In this section, listen to the audio clip. Take note of words related to what you hear or feel or imagine. These can be in English. For example, I can hear a leaf rustling. The word is leaf. Do you hear a bird or birds? The word is bird. And someone walking? The word is walk. Now it is your turn. Take note of words. Use your senses and imagination. How many words did you get? These are the words that we got. And in Spanish? Now let's practice the pronunciation of our words. Bird.
Pájaro.
Leaf.
Hoja.
Grass.
Césped.
Fly.
Mosca.
Water.
Agua.
Walk.
Caminar.
Rain.
Lluvia.
Run.
Correr.
Lightning.
Relámpago.
Thunder.
Trueno.
Wind.
Viento.
Knock.
Golpear.
Door.
Puerta.
Now let's use these words in sentences.
The bird flies. El pájaro vuela. El pájaro vuela.
The leaf falls.
La hoja cae. La hoja cae.
The green grass.
La hierba verde. La hierba verde.
There is a fly on the food.
Hay una mosca en la comida. Hay una mosca en la comida.
Drink a glass of water.
Bebe un vaso de agua. Bebe un vaso de agua.
Walk on the path.
Camina por el sendero. Camina por el sendero.
Singing in the rain.
Cantando en la lluvia. Cantando en la lluvia.
Run in a race.
Correr en una carrera. Correr en una carrera.
The lightning is bright.
El relámpago es brillante. El relámpago es brillante.
The thunder is loud.
El trueno es fuerte. El trueno es fuerte.
The wind blows.
El viento sopla. El viento sopla.
Knock on the door.
Tocar la puerta. Tocar la puerta.
Do you remember the words? What about the sentences? Let's do a fun quiz. Say the word related to the picture. Can you complete the sentence? Next steps. Translate your words if you haven't already. Perhaps you can use them in basic sentences? Add your work to the comments. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more episodes and other types of language training videos. Watch some of our shorts to learn more words.